Hello student, now we will start the exercise 3.2a. Now again this is the biggest exercise. I will explain all the questions in this video. Now let us start. नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आम्ही सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स या एक्सरसाइज मधले घेणार आहे 3.2a आणि हा एक्सरसाइज पूर्ण सबस्टिट्यूशन्स मेथड वरती डिपेंड आहे. ओके, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. Integrate the following functions with respect to x. And first example, log of x bracket raised to n upon x. Okay, let I is equals to integral log of x bracket raised to n upon x into dx. मी प्रत्येकदा सांगितलं की या प्रश्नामध्येच त्याची सबस्टिट्यूशन फंक्शन आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह देखील असतो. व्हॉट इज हियर? log of x is a substitution and its a derivative is dx upon x, and hence put log of x is equals to t and then its a derivative is 1 upon x into dx is equals to dt, and hence we have the value of that is a 1 upon x into dx is equals to dt. Next, I is equals to integral. आता हे कसं होणार? log of x raised to n means what? This t raised to n, this is the t raised to n, and this dx 1 upon dx 1 upon x into dx, and that is nothing but the dt. dx upon x, that is nothing but the dt. Okay, log of x means what? t raised to n. आता इंटिग्रल अतिशय सोपं आहे. t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, and then replace the value of the t. What is the t? t is a log of x, and hence I is equals to 1 upon n plus 1 into log of x raised to n plus 1 plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, you can see this. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Now the next example, question number 2. Sin inverse of x raised to 3 by 2 upon in root of 1 minus x square. ज्याचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह एकदम परफेक्ट असतील त्याला हे एक्झाम्पल बघता क्षणी त्याला सबस्टिट्यूशन समजणार आहे. Those who have complete the knowledge of the differentiation, okay, he can get the idea about the substitution for this example. In this example, see this here, sin inverse of x. What's its a derivative? 1 upon in root of 1 minus x square. Okay, and hence the substitution sin inverse of x is equals to t. Okay, then what's its a derivative? 1 upon in root of 1 minus x square into dx is equals to dt. Okay, and hence our integral I is equals to t raised to 3 by 2, because the sin inverse of x raised to 3 by 2, and hence it is a t raised to 3 by 2. dx upon in root of 1 minus x square, its a value is a dt. Okay, now next हे इंटिग्रल अतिशय पुन्हा सोपं आहे. what is the integral of t raised to 3 by 2? 3 raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 means what? t raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus c. पुन्हा 5 by 2 हा multiplied and reciprocal होणार, and hence I is equals to 2 by 5 sin inverse of x bracket raised to 5 by 2 plus c. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay, now the next example, 1 plus x upon x into sin of x plus log x. Okay, देखील x plus log x is very important. देखील फंक्शन नाही, सबस्टिट्यूशन आहे आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह देखील आहे. Let I is equals to integral 1 plus x upon x into sin of x plus log x into dx. Now again these can be written as 1 upon sin of x plus log of x bracket complete. This 1 upon x it has in this bracket. आपण या ब्रॅकेट मध्ये ते लिहिलेलं आहे 1 plus x upon x into dx. And again the simplification 1 upon x plus x upon x, split up it. Then you will get 1 upon x, x upon x, that get cancelled. You will get 1, and hence in bracket you will get 1 upon x plus 1 bracket complete into dx. Now the substitution. What is the substitution? See this here, x plus log x, and that is equals to t. What is the derivative of x? X is 1. Log of x is 1 upon x into dx, and that's equals to dt, and hence 1 upon x plus 1 into dx, its a value is a dt. Okay, and hence our integral, this I will become 1 upon sin, but what is this? X plus log x? X plus log x is t, and hence it is a 1 upon sin t into dt. Now 1 upon sin t will become cosec t into dt. आणि पुन्हा हे standard result आहे. What is the integral of cosec t? Okay, and the integral of cosec t is a log of mod of cosec t minus cot t plus c. And next, replace the value of this t. What is the t? T is a x plus log x and minus cot of x plus log x plus c, and hence the answer is I is equals to log of in mod of cosec x plus log x minus cot of x plus log x plus c. Okay, you can see this again. Okay, now the next problem. Okay, next problem number 4, x into sec square in bracket x square upon in root of tan cube x square. Okay, now let I is equals to integral x sec square x square upon in root of tan cube x square into dx. Now what is a substitution? Tan of x square is t. Okay, and the derivative of tan of x square is a sec square x square into ddx of x square, which will be the 2x. Okay, and therefore sec square in bracket x square into 2x into dx, and therefore the value of x sec square in bracket x square into dx is equals to dt upon 2. Okay, now we have the values. आपल्याला या values मिळाल्या. याची पूर्ण x into sec square x square into dx त्याची value किती मिळाली? dt upon 2, and here is a root of tan raised to 3, sorry, root of t cube. Okay, therefore this integral I is equals to integral 1 upon in root of t raised to 3 into dt upon 2. आता as an integral, it's very easy. That is a 1 upon root of t cube. Means what? 1 upon here t raised to 3 by 2. If we take that t to the numerator, its a power will become negative, and hence 1 upon 2 integral t raised to minus 3 by 2 into dt, and hence 1 upon 2 t raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Means what? Minus 1 upon 2 upon minus 1 upon 2 plus c, and this again 2 get cancelled, and again you are getting minus 1 upon root of t plus c. Okay, पुन्हा याची power जी आहे ती आपण denominator आणणार, it will become positive, and hence that is a t raised to here 1 upon 2, and it's a root is a root of t, and these 2 will get cancelled, and you are getting the minus 1 plus c. Now replace the value of the t. What is the t? T is a tan of x square, and hence the answer I is equals to minus 1 upon in root of tan of x square plus c. Okay, you can see this again. Okay, now the next question. Question number 5. E raised to 3x upon e raised to 3x plus 1. Very easy question. Let I is equals to integral e raised to 3x upon e raised to 3x plus 1 into dx. आता इथे e raised to 3x plus 1 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय? तर e raised to 3x into dx into derivative of this 3x. म्हणजे काय? आपल्याला e raised to 3x into dt मिळाला. Therefore, what is the substitution? Put e raised to 3x plus 1 is equals to t, and its a derivative is a 3 e raised to 3x into dx is equals to dt. आता 3 हा ट्रान्सफर करणार, therefore e raised to 3x into dx is equals to dt by 3. म्हणजे आपल्याला e raised to 3x into dt ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. It is a dt upon 3. Next, therefore I is equals to our integral become here 1 upon 3x plus 1 means what? It is a 1 upon t. E raised to 3x into dx, its a value is a dt upon 3. Take 1 by 3 हा कॉन्स्टंट आहे, त्याला इंटिग्रेशनच्या बाहेर घेणार. Therefore integral 1 upon t into dt, and its integral is a log of mod of t plus c, and hence I is equals to 1 upon 3 log of mod of t plus c. Now replace the value of the t, which is a e raised to 3x plus 1 plus c, and hence the answer. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Very easy problem. इथे आपल्याला सबस्टिट्यूशन आणि त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह देखील लगेच बघायला मिळेल. ओके, Now the next problem. Problem number 6. What is here? In bracket x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into a raised to x plus tan inverse of x. Okay. Let I is equals to integral x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into a raised to x plus tan inverse of x into dx. Okay. Now the next is a raised to, here is a raised to x plus tan inverse of x into x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into dx. तर इथे लगेच substitution x plus tan inverse of x, that is x plus tan inverse of x, that is equals to t, and hence it's a derivative. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square bracket complete into dx is equals to dt. Okay, here पुन्हा simplification करणार 1 plus x square into 1, you will get 1 plus x square plus 1 means what? X square plus 2 upon 1 plus x square bracket complete into dx is equals to dt, and hence we have x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 bracket complete into dx is equals to dt. Okay, ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळाली, इट्स अ dt, and hence our integral becomes I is equals to काय येणार ते I is equals to a raised to t into x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into dx. Its a value is a dt. Okay, and hence our integral I is equals to integral a raised to t into dt. But what is its integral? A raised to t upon log of a plus c. Okay, now resubstitute the value of the t. Therefore I will write the answer a raised to, what is a t? T is a x plus tan inverse of x upon log of a plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता की x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1, this is important because it's a derivative of x plus tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of x चा तो काय तर तो derivative आहे, and hence the substitution is a x plus tan inverse of x. Okay, now the next problem. Problem number 7. E raised to x into log of sin of e raised to x upon tan of e raised to x. Okay, therefore now let I is equals to integral e raised to x into log of sin of e raised to x upon tan of e raised to x into dx. Now see this here, 1 upon tan of e raised to x means what? Cot of e raised to x. Keep this e raised to x as it is. Okay, now this substitution. आता log of sin of e raised to x ला आपण काय कन्सिडर करणार ते तर t करणार. Okay, then what about its derivative? Log of sin of e raised to x 1 upon sin of e raised to x into derivative of sin of e raised to x, which is the cos of e raised to x, into derivative of e raised to x into dx is equals to dt, because it is a composite function. What is the derivative of log of x? It's a 1 upon x into ddx of x is 1. Similarly, log of sin of e raised to x, its a derivative is a 1 upon sin of e raised to x into derivative of sin of e raised to x is the cos of e raised to x. Again it is a composite. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now cos of e raised to x upon sin of e raised to x, it is a cot of e raised to x into e raised to x, and that is equals to dt, and hence we have the value e raised to x into cot of e raised to x into dx. Its a value is a dt. Okay, मग याच्यासाठी काय येणार तर तो dt येणार, and log of sin of e raised to x, it is a t, and hence our integral म्हणजे आपलं इंटिग्रल कसं तयार होणार? I is equals to integral t log of sin of e raised to x is t into dt, and its integral is a t square upon 2 plus c. Now replace the value of the t. What is the t? Log of sin of e raised to x. Okay, this is 1 upon 2 log of sin of e raised to x bracket square plus c, and hence the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Okay, e raised to x upon tan of e raised to x, tan कसा आणला तर न्यूमरेटरला it becomes cot, and this is the important. Okay, this is the substitution. Okay, now the next problem. Problem number 8. E raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1. that I is equals to integral e raised to 2x plus 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1 dx. Now in this case, we will divide the numerator and the denominator by e raised to x. Now see this, what you will get then? E raised to 2x upon e raised to x. E raised to, if we separate it, means what? E raised to 2x upon e raised to x plus 1 upon, हे पण किती होणार? 1 upon e raised to x. Then what you will get? E raised to 2x मधून e raised to x गेला. You will get e raised to x plus 1 upon e raised to x means what? E raised to minus x. Similarly, in the denominator, e raised to 2x upon e raised to x means what? E raised to x. 1 upon e raised to x means what? E raised to minus x. Now see this here. If we substitute here e raised to x minus e raised to minus x as a t, then its a derivative is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x. Okay. आता बघा इथे याचा जर आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला, व्हॉट इज दॅट? डिनोमिनेटरचा, म्हणजे डिनोमिनेटरला आपण काय कन्सिडर करणार? टी करणार. हियर e raised to x minus e raised to minus x and that is equals to t. Then what's its a derivative? Its a derivative is e raised to x minus the derivative of e raised to minus x is the e raised to minus x into derivative of this minus x which is the minus 1. Okay. मग इथे टोटल ब्रॅकेट करणार. This is dx and that is equals to dt. Okay. Then in bracket you will get e raised to x and this minus and minus that will become plus e raised to minus x. Bracket complete into dx is equals to dt. And hence e raised to x plus e raised to minus x into dx, that is a dt. Okay. E raised to x plus e raised to minus x into dx, its a value is a dt. Then you want to find out the integral of this is the dt upon t. E raised to x plus e raised to minus x into dx is dt and this is the t and its integral is a log of mod of t. असं पण तुम्ही करू शकता, or you can write this e raised to x plus e raised to minus x as ddx of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x, and this is nothing but of the form, which is the form f dash of x upon f of x into dx, and that's nothing but log of mod of f of x plus c, and hence we have the answer log of e raised to x minus e raised to minus x plus c, and hence this is the answer. Okay. तुम्ही असं सबस्टिट्यूट केलं तरी चालेल किंवा ddx च्या फॉर्म मध्ये घेतलं तरी चालेल. What the main thing is here is that the divide n and d by e raised to x हे तुम्हाला आठवलं पाहिजे परीक्षेला. Okay. Now the next problem. Problem number 9. Sin of x raised to 4 into cos of x raised to 3. Here I is equals to, okay, sin of x raised to 4 into cos of x raised to 4 into dx. एक आपल्याला cos ची टर्म एक बाजूला पाहिजे आणि सगळं कन्व्हर्जन आपल्याला एकतर साइन आणि एका डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मध्ये करावं लागणार. साइनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॉस किंवा कॉसचा मायनस साइन या प्रकारे. नाउ सी दिस हियर sin of x raised to 4, keep it as it is. cos cube x यातला cos square आपण दिलेला cos square x into cos x into dx. Now what about this cos square x? Cos square x means what? 1 minus sin square x into this cos x into dx. Okay. आता काय? What is the substitution? If we take sin of x as a t, then its a derivative is a cos of x into dx. And hence, the expression, whole expression कसं change होणार? t raised to 4 in bracket 1 minus t square. Now see this here. Put sin of x is equals to t. And then derivative of sin of x is a cos of x into dx is equals to dt. And hence our integral I is equals to. Here, sin of x raised to 4 means what? T raised to 4 in bracket 1 minus t square into cos of x into dx, its a value is a dt. Now simplify this. T raised to 4 into 1 is a t raised to 4. T raised to 4 into t raised to 2. म्हणजे काय? t raised to 6 into dt. Very simple integral. Integral of t raised to 4 into dt minus integral of t raised to 6 into dt. मग t raised to 4 चे इंटिग्रल काय? 4 plus 1 5 upon 5. t raised to 5 upon 5. t raised to 6 चे इंटिग्रल काय? 6 plus 1 means what? 7. t raised to 7 upon 7 plus c. Now replace the value of the t. What is a t? T is a sin t. And hence we have the answer 1 upon 5 sin of x raised to 5 minus 1 by 5 sin of x raised to 7 and plus c. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता. हे ऍडजस्टमेंट इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. cos क्यूब हा इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. त्यातला cos x बाहेर गेल्यानंतर you will get cos square and cos square can be converted into sin. Means what? On one side there is a sign and it's a derivative of cos of x into dx. Okay. Now the next problem number 10, 1 upon 4x plus 5 x raised to minus 11. Okay. आता पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करताना ही पॉवर मायनस आहे बघा. Okay, we can take here the from here multiplied numerator and the denominator by x raised to 11 or तुम्ही असं पण इथे करू शकताय. See this here, x raised to 1 upon 4x plus 5 x raised to minus 11. It can be written as it's a one and the same. 4x 5x raised to minus 11 means what? 5 upon x raised to 11 आणि हे simplification करणार. What is that? X raised to 11 into 4x, then x raised to काय येणार? X raised to x power 1 and हा 11, that will become 12 and hence you will get here 4 x raised to 12 plus 5 upon x raised to 11, and if you simplify this then you will get x raised to 11 upon 4 x raised to 12 plus 5, and this is very easy. X raised to 12 है, ये तो x raised to 11 है. Means what? If we substitute 4 x raised to 12 plus 5 as a t, then its a derivative will be the x raised to 11. See this here. Now next, इथे तुम्ही x raised to 11 common काढलेला आहे. You can take this also. That is a multiplied n and d by x raised to 11. Therefore 1 into x raised to 11, that is x raised to 11. X raised to 11 into in bracket 4x plus 5 x raised to minus 11. Okay. म्हणजे काय होणार? x raised to 11 as it is. X raised to 11 into 4x. Okay. Then what will happen here? 4x raised to 12. X raised to 11 into 5x raised to minus 11. X raised to plus 11 minus 11 means what? X raised to 0. X raised to 0 is 1. 5 into 1 is 5 and hence it is here. Now next, what is the derivative of x? 4x raised to 12 plus 5. Its a derivative is a 48x raised to 11 and hence here the multiplication of 48 to the numerator and the denominator. Otherwise तुम्ही यामध्ये देखील असं देखील इथे करू शकताय. Put 4x raised to 12 plus 5, it is a t. हे असं तुम्ही t consider करू शकता इथे. x raised to 12 plus 5. Then what's its a derivative? It's a derivative dt is equals to 4 into 12, it is a 48 x raised to 11 into dx, and hence you will get the value of x raised to 11 into dx is equals to dt upon 48. Okay, x raised to 11 into dx, its a value is a dt upon 48, and then you can simplify. It is again the log form. म्हणजे answer किती येणार? That is a 1 upon 48 log of mod of 4 x raised to 12 plus 5. That is answer. 1 upon 48 log of mod of x raised to 12 plus 5. Otherwise तुम्ही मल्टिप्लाइड करणार n and d ला x raised to 11 ने आणि हा फॉर्म दाखवणार. What is that? F dash of x upon f of x into dx is equals to its integral is a log of mod of f of x plus c. Okay. Now this is the ddx of x raised to 12 plus 5 and hence the numerator चा तो हा derivative है. Okay, and hence the its answer is 1 upon 48 log of mod of 4x raised to 12 plus 5 plus c. Okay, and here the answer. दोन्ही ठिकाणी तेच आन्सर येणार आहे. Now the next, x raised to 9 into sec square in bracket x raised to 10. अतिशय सोपं आहे. x raised to 10 आहे बघा इथे. Here is x raised to 9. The derivative of x raised to 10 is a 10 x raised to 9. मग 10 adjust करतो आपण इथे. Okay. Let I is equals to integral x raised to 9 into sec square x raised to 10 into dx. X raised to 10 is equals to t. Its a derivative is a 10 x raised to 9 into dx is equals to dt. And hence the value of 9 x raised to 9 into dx is 1 upon 10 into dt. Okay, and hence our integral dx, x raised to 9 into dx, its a value is 1 upon 10 into dt. This is 1 upon 10 into dt. What about here? Sec square t. And what about the integral of sec square t is a tan t plus c. and hence 1 upon 10 tan of t plus c. Replace the value of the t, which is the x raised to 10 plus c, and hence I is equals to 1 upon 10 tan of x raised to 10 plus c, and this is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता, easy problem आहे तो. Okay. Now the next problem number 12. E raised to 3 log of x in bracket x raised to 4 plus 1 bracket raised to minus 1. आता इथे ब्रॅकेट raised to minus 1 वगैरे असं काय असलं त्याची पॉवर आधी प्लस करायचं. ओके, हियर द इंटिग्रल e raised to the integral sign. Okay, integral e raised to log of x raised to 3. Now we can write here, suppose that here we have that is a m, here is a log of n, and it can be written as e raised to log of n raised to m. In a similar way, we have taken this 3 to the x raised to. Okay, and therefore this become e raised to log of x cube in bracket x raised to 4 plus 1 bracket raised to minus 1. As its the power is minus 1, take its 1 upon, then it will become plus. Therefore integral e raised to log of x raised to 3 upon x raised to 4 plus 1, because its the power is minus 1. You can. Next, we have the again one more formula, e raised to log of a to the base e. इथे e असला then it's okay, नसला तर आपण काय ट्रीट करणार, तर e ट्रीट करणार, and hence its answer is a. Similarly here e raised to log of x cube, its answer is a x cube. Now here integral x cube upon x raised to 4 plus 1. Now it's very easy. The derivative of x raised to 4 is a 4x cube. We can adjust the 4. म्हणजे 4 कसा adjust केलाय बघा, 1 by 4 into 4x cube. 4 get cancel. Okay, आणि x raised to 4 plus 1 चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती, तर 4x cube. विदाउट सबस्टिट्यूशन तुम्ही सबस्टिट्यूट इथे करू शकताय, x raised to 4 plus 1. Okay, x raised to 4 plus 1 is equals to t. Then what's its a derivative? Its a derivative is a 4x cube into dx is equals to dt, and hence x cube into dx is equals to dt upon 4, and hence your integral. What about the integral? Integral x cube into dx, its a value is a dt by 4. इथे किती येणार, तर dt by 4 आला. And what about the denominator? Denominator it has a t. Take 1 by 4 outside. Then what about its integral? Log of mod of t plus c. Replace the value of the t. Similarly here तुम्ही असं पण इथे करू शकता, f dash of x upon f of x integral is a log of mod of f of x plus c. Okay, 1 by 4 आपण इथे adjust केला, and hence that is nothing but 4x cube is nothing but the ddx of the denominator, which is the x raised to 4 plus 1. Okay, upon x raised to 4 plus 1 into dx, and hence the answer 1 by 4 log of mod of x raised to 4 plus 1 plus c. Okay, now this is the answer. तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय, असं पण सॉल्व करू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the problem number 13. In root of tan x upon sin x into cos x. थोडा वेगळा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. डायरेक्ट आपल्याला सबस्टिट्यूशन वगैरे करण्यापेक्षा इथे टर्म्सची रिअरेंजमेंट करावी लागणार. We have to rearrange the terms, dividing the numerator and the denominator by cos square x first of all. In root of tan x upon cos square x. Guys, a particular problem. There are some particular problem that you have to remember. Okay. That I is equals to integral in root of tan x upon cos square x upon sin x into cos x upon cos square x into dx. Okay. Now, what about here? In root of tan x upon cos square x, here one cos will get cancelled. You will get sin x upon cos x, that is a tan x. Okay. Now, root of tan x upon cos square x. या cos square चा reciprocal काय झाला तर तो sec square झाला. Root of tan x as it is 1 upon cos square is a sec square x. Sin x upon cos x, that is a tan x. Okay. आता इथे root of tan x upon tan x. Then what will happen? Suppose here is a root x upon x. Then what you will get? 1 upon root x. Similarly, root of tan x upon tan x is nothing but 1 upon root of tan x. Okay, this is the sec square into dx. Now we have this substitution. It's clear that the derivative of tan of x is a sec square. मग substitution काय असेल? The tan of x is equals to t, and hence its a derivative is a sec square x into dx is equals to dt. Sec square x into dx, that is a dt. Okay. Therefore, our integral, that I becomes, this is I. I is equals to integral 1 upon root of t, and the value of sec square x into dx is a dt. Again, the integral of 1 upon t raised to 1 upon t raised to 1 upon 2 means what? T raised to minus 1 upon 2 into dt. But as integral minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 means what? T raised to 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 plus 1. Puna 1 upon 2 multiplied and reciprocal, it will become 2 root of t plus c. Now replace the value of the t. What is the t? T is a tan x plus c, and hence I is equals to 2 in root of tan x plus c, and this is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा इथे बघू शकताय तुम्ही. हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन. मात्र असे काही प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात की ते प्रॉब्लेम बघितल्यानंतर डायरेक्ट आपल्याला सबस्टिट्यूशन नाही लक्षात येत. वी हॅव टू डू सम अरेंजमेंट देअर, अँड हेन्स दिस टाइप ऑफ द प्रॉब्लेम्स यू राईट हिअर रिपीट इट अगेन. ओके. या टाइपच्या प्रॉब्लेमला तुम्ही तिथे लिहिल्यानंतर आर करा तिथे. ओके. नाव दी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 14. In bracket x minus 1 bracket square upon x square plus 1 bracket square. Okay. पुन्हा डायरेक्ट आपल्याला इथे मिळणार नाही बघायला. Therefore I is equals to integral x minus 1 bracket square upon x square plus 1 bracket square into dx. Adjustment x minus 1 bracket square x square minus 2x plus 1. पुन्हा मी इथे r टाकणार याला की रिपीट दिस टाइप ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल. काही एक्झाम्पल असे असतात की त्यांचे सबस्टिट्यूशन लगेच असतो, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह देखील त्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्येच आपल्याला बघायला मिळत असतो. बट सम प्रॉब्लेम्स हॅव दी सम ऍडजस्टमेंट. ओके. हिअर इंटिग्रल x square minus 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 bracket square into dx. Now x square minus 2x plus 1 can be written as x square plus 1 minus 2x. Okay. This divided by x square plus 1 bracket square x square plus 1 bracket square. Now separate this. Integral x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 bracket square minus 2x upon x square plus 1 bracket square in bracket complete into dx. Now here x square plus 1 याची power किती आहे तर 1, याची power 2 आहे. एक power राहणार तिथे शिल्लक, means what? 1 upon x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now this has the power as a 1, this has a 2, एक power minus integral 2x upon x square plus 1 bracket square. But here is a x square plus 1. We can substitute here x square plus 1 as a t. Its a derivative is a 2x. Okay. Then you will get dt upon t square, and you can integrate it. आता याचा इंटिग्रल सोपं आहे. What is the derivative of tan inverse of x? The derivative of tan inverse of x is a 1 upon 1 plus x square, and hence the integral of 1 upon x square plus 1 is a tan inverse of x. Okay. Now मग या दोघांना काय, याला this is I1 and this is the I2 सेपरेट करणार आहे. Now put for this, हे सोपं आहे. याचं इंटिग्रल किती तर tan inverse of x. For this integral, for this I2, put x square plus 1 is equals to t. हे पुन्हा सर्व सॉल्व करत नाही बसणार. तर एकाला I1 ट्रीट करणार आणि दुसऱ्याला I2. जेव्हा आपण इंटिग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स मध्ये जाणार त्यावेळेस आपल्याला सेपरेट कधी कधी मोठे इंटिग्रेशन असतात. मग प्रत्येकदा ह्या स्टेप्स पुन्हा लिहिण्यापेक्षा separate it I1 and I2, then find out the I2. X square plus 1 is equals to t. This is, it's a derivative of 2x into dx is equals to dt. Okay. And next, what about here? The 2x into dx is dt. Therefore, this integral will become, हे integral कसं होणार बघा? That's the integral 2x into dx is a dt upon here is a t square. आणि तीच पॉवर आपण काय करणार तर ती न्यूमरेटरला आणणार and into dt, and similarly here minus sign as it is t raised to minus 2, okay, into dt. And what's the integral of t raised to minus 2? Okay, minus 2 plus 1 means what? T raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus c, and the integral of 1 upon x square plus 1 into dx is a tan inverse of x. आता इथे minus and minus that will become plus. T raised to minus 1 ची power तुम्ही खाली आणून ती प्लस करू शकताय, or you can write here this minus and minus that will become plus 1 upon t. Okay, but what is the t? T is x square plus 1, and here this minus and minus become plus. Next, 1 upon t, but 1 upon t, the value of the t is x square plus 1. And hence the answer, tan inverse of x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus c. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. ओके, काही प्रॉब्लेम्स ठिकाणी मी आर करणार आहे, म्हणजे तुम्हाला निश्चित आयडिया येईल की कोणकोणत्या प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण रिपीट केले पाहिजे. कारण की परीक्षेसाठी तुम्हाला M1 आणि M2 हे दोन्ही पुस्तकांचा अभ्यास करावा लागणार आहे. म्हणजे त्या परीक्षेच्या वेळेस तुम्हाला एकदम कॉम्पॅक्ट मध्ये तो अभ्यास झाला पाहिजे, की असेच प्रॉब्लेम तुम्ही बघा परीक्षेला, की ज्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही आर लिहिलेला असेल. मी थ्रूआउट माझ्या या वर्षाच्या या सर्व कोर्समध्ये ज्या प्रॉब्लेमला मी आर केलेला असेल तेच फक्त तुम्ही परीक्षेला रिपीट करू शकताय. ओके, नाव दी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 15. 2 sin x into cos x upon 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x. आता हा तसंच म्हणजे इझी आहे. तसं यामध्ये काय की 3 sin square x plus cos square x याचीच इथे आपल्याला सबस्टिट्यूशन येणार इथे. ओके, नाव सी दिस. We know the derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into cos x, or derivative of cos square x is 2 minus 2 sin x into cos x. म्हणजे काय की आपण याला डायरेक्ट आपण t कन्सिडर केलेला आहे. ओके, नाव दी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ cos square x means what? 3 2 cos x into ddx of cos x. The derivative of sin square x, for as it is, derivative of sin square x is 2 sin x into ddx of sin x bracket complete into dx is equals to dt. Now the derivative of cos of x is a minus sin x and the cos x. 3 into 2, you will get minus 6 sin x into cos x plus 4 into 2, 8 sin x as it is. Derivative of sin x is a cos x. Bracket complete into dx. आता इथे बघा minus 6 plus 8. Then you will get 2 sin x into cos x into dx is equals to dt. इथे बघा 2 sin x into cos x into dx is equals to dt. म्हणून हा प्रॉब्लेम इझी आहे यासाठी. सबशन लगेच आहे. काय ऍडजस्टमेंट करावी लागली आपल्याला? नो ऍडजस्टमेंट. ओके, कीप इट ऍज इट इज. एकदा तुम्ही परीक्षेला ऑब्झर्व जरी केलं तरी तो तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. अँड हेन्स 2 sin x into cos x into dx is equals to dt. And integral, then it is a 1 upon t. 1 upon t, its integral is a log of mod of t plus c, and hence resubstitute the value of the t. Then you will get I is equals to log of mod of 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, बघू शकताय. Now the next problem, problem number 16. 1 upon root x plus root of x cube. Very nice problem. आता बघा इथे I is equals to integral 1 upon root x plus root of x cube. 1 upon root x means what? X raised to 1 upon 2 plus root of x cube means what? X raised to 3 by 2. Okay, into dx. Now here this substitution. आता कसा हा प्रॉब्लेम थोडासा वेगळा इथे घेतलेला. Now what is the substitution? X is equals to t square. What about its a derivative? It's a derivative. X is dx and t square is a 2t into dt. Now the value of x is a t square. Okay, the value of x, here is x is equals to t square. What about the value of x raised to 1 upon 2 means what? Here is a t square and bracket raised to 1 upon 2 which is equals to t. Okay, x raised to 1 upon 2 is equals to t. What about the x raised to 3 by 2? Again here x raised to 3 by 2. Okay, it's a clear that x raised to 3 by 2 means what? X into x raised to 1 upon 2. What about x? X is a t square and x raised to 1 upon 2 is a t, and it is nothing but t raised to 3 in this way. Okay, x raised to 3 by 2 is equals to t cube, and hence now our integral will change. See this here, x is equals to t square, therefore dx is a 2 dt, 2t into dt, 2t into dt. What about the x raised to 1 upon 2 is t, therefore here is a t. X raised to 3 by 2, it is a t cube, here is a t cube. Okay, take t as a common, then what will happen? Or from the denominator, therefore take 2 as a outside, the integral, it's a constant, integral t dt upon take t as a common, then in bracket you will get 1 plus t square. Okay, पुन्हा हा t get cancel, and now very easy integral this is. that is a tan inverse of x. It's a derivative of 1 upon 1 plus x square. And hence, the integral of 1 upon 1 plus t square into dt is tan inverse of t plus c. What about the t? T is equals to now here. T is equals to x is equals to t square. X is equals to t square. It implies that t is equals to a root of x. See this here? T is a root of x plus c. And hence, I is equals to 2 tan inverse of root x plus c. This is the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay. Okay. Now the next problem. Problem number 17. हा देखील easy problem है. 10 x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x into log of 10 upon 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 is a function है त्याचा derivative numerator ला आहे. Okay. Put 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 is equals to t. Now the derivative of this is a raised to x. What's its derivative? 10 raised to x into log of 10 plus derivative of x raised to 10 means what? 10 x raised to 9 bracket complete into dx is equals to dt. 10 x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x into log of 10 into dx, its a value is a dt. And hence I is equals to integral. हे सर्वची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? तर ती dt आली. Next, here is a 1 upon t. Okay. And hence, its integral is a log of mod of t plus c. And hence, replace the value of the t. Hence, I is equals to log of mod of 10 raised to x plus x raised to 10 mod complete plus c. And this is the answer. Very easy problem आहे. Function आहे त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह लगेच आपल्याला बघायला मिळतो तिथे. You can see this. Now the next problem. Problem number 18. I is equals to integral x raised to n minus 1 upon in root of 1 plus 4 x raised to 9. Okay. X raised to n. Now here we have the x raised to n, that is a t. Then its a derivative is n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx is equals to dt. हा देखील प्रॉब्लेम कसा आहे तर ते सोपा आहे. या आधीचा प्रॉब्लेम देखील कसा होता तर इझी होता. त्याला नुसतं साधं ऑब्झर्वेशन जरी केलं तरी तुम्हाला तो लक्षात येऊ शकतो. n into x raised to n minus 1 into dx is equals to dt. And hence here x raised to n minus 1 into dx is equals to dt upon n. x raised to n minus 1 into dx याची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळाली, which is that dt upon n. Now therefore our integral I is equals to integral 1 upon in root of 1 plus 4t into dt upon n. Okay, take this 1 upon n outside, then integral. Okay, ही power root ची power आपण काय करणार ती numerator ना, and that will become minus 1 upon 2 into dt. Okay, and hence here is a 1 upon n into. What about the integral of this? Now the integral of it is of the form ax plus b bracket raised to n into dx. Its integral is a 1 upon a ax plus b bracket raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. या टाइप मध्ये. Similarly here 1 plus 4t bracket raised to minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 means what? 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 into the coefficient of t into 1 upon coefficient of t, which is the 1 by 4, or the derivative of 1 plus 4t, which is the 4 plus c. Okay. आता ही simplification 1 by 2 into 4, then you will get 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into 4 means what? You will get 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is this is the n. And again 1 plus 4t raised to 1 upon 2 means what? It's a root plus c. And hence I is equals to 1 upon 2n into in root of 1 plus 4 x raised to n plus c in this way. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Easy problem आहे तो. Now the next question number 19. In bracket 2x plus 1 in root of x plus 2. Okay. आणि या टाइपचे देखील प्रॉब्लेम्स हे तुम्हाला रिपीट थोडे करावे लागतील कारण की हा टाइप वेगळा आहे. जर इथे रूट वगैरे काही जर बघायला मिळालं तर रूट मध्ये जे काय असतं ते टी कन्सिडर करणार तुम्ही, and that will be the easiest way. put x plus 2 is t. Therefore, what about dx? Dx is equals to dt. हा problem लगेच संपतो आपला. The value of the dx is dt. But x plus 2 is equals to t. It implies that. What about the x? X is equals to 2 is transferred to the right hand side. It becomes minus 2. Therefore, x is equals to t minus 2. आता x ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला मिळाली, which is the 2 minus 2. आपल्याला याची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. If we substitute x plus 2 is t, then you will get is the root t. But what about this? For that, you want to find out the value of x. 2x plus 1 ची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू पाहिजे. त्यासाठी आपल्याला x माहिती पाहिजे. x काय तर t minus 2. Now we will find out the value of 2x plus 1. This is the 2x plus 1. Okay, that is a 2, the value of x, t minus 2, and this is a plus 1. Simplify this. 2t minus 2 plus 1. 2 into 2. Then you will get minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 2. 2 into t. Then you will get 2t minus 3. Okay. Therefore, the value of 2x plus 1 is 2t minus 3. And this is important. आपल्याला दोन्ही प्रकारचे values मिळाले. What is that? X plus 2, its a value is a t. Therefore, you will get root t. 2x plus 1, its a value is a 2t minus 3. And hence, our integral, this I becomes I is equals to integral. The value of 2x plus 1 is a, in bracket, 2t minus 3. Root of x plus 2 means what? Root of t into dt. What about the next? Normal multiplication. Root t ने या 3 ला, root t ने या 2t ला multiply करना. This is a 2. T raised to 1, t raised to 1 upon 2. 1 plus 1 upon 2 means what? T raised to 3 by 2. Again, 3 into root t means what? 3 into t raised to 1 upon 2 into dt. Very simple integral. T raised to 3 by 2 is integral. 3 raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2. 3 raised to 1 upon 2 is integral. T raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. आता पुन्हा त्याच प्रकार नको. तो 1 ऍड करा, मग डिनोमिनेटरला लिहा. आता थोडं फास्ट करायला पाहिजे आपण इंटिग्रल. Therefore, 2 integral t raised to 3 by 2 into dt minus 3 integral t raised to 1 upon 2 into dt. And hence, its integral 2 into t raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 minus 3 t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. Now, this will become multiplied and reciprocal. म्हणजे हा 2 वर जाणार, या 2 ला multiplied, it will become 4 and upon 5. Again, this here is a 2. This 3 will get cancelled. Okay. And हा 2 numerator ला जाणार, and it will become 2 in bracket x plus 2 raised to 3 by 2. And here in the bracket x plus 2 raised to 5 by 2. Okay. Plus c. And hence I is equals to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 2 raised to 5 by 2 minus 2 in bracket x plus 2 raised to 3 by 2 plus c. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता, हा थोडा प्रॉब्लेम वेगळा आहे. यामध्ये आपल्याला ते व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायचे. Therefore, I had written here, repeat it. Okay. बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the next. Problem number 20. X raised to 5 in root of a square plus x square. Now here is x square. X raised to 5 can be written as x square into x square into x. Means what? The substitution we have got. A square plus x square, that is a t. Okay. What about its a derivative? Its a derivative is a derivative of a square is 0. X square is a 2x into dx is equals to dt. Therefore, x into dx is equals to 1 upon 2 into dt. This is important. X raised to 5. This x raised to 5 can be written as, so important, x square into x square into in root of x square plus x square. आता x raised to 5, 1x is remaining, that is x into dx, and this is the dt. Okay. Therefore, x into dx is equals to 1 upon 2 into dt. Therefore, our integral, आपण असं लिहिलं. What is that? I is equals to integral x square into x square in root of a square plus x square into x dx. Now, what is the value of x into dx? It is a 1 upon 2 into dt. Okay. Next, the value of x square. A square plus x square is t. It implies that the value of x square is equals to t minus a square. We have written it is x square into x square. Means what? T minus a square. This is the t minus a square into t minus a square. What about here? Root of t. What about this? X into dx is 1 upon 2 into dt. 1 upon 2 into dt. See this here, 1 upon 2 into dt. आता या ब्रॅकेटचं काय? t minus a into t minus a. That is a t minus a square into t minus a square. Then it will become t minus a square and it's a bracket square. And this is the root t. Take 1 upon 2 outside this integral sign. And hence integral of t minus a square bracket square into root t into dt. आता पुढे simplification. T minus a square bracket square means what? T square minus 2a square t plus a raised to 4 bracket complete into root t into dt. Now their multiplication. Root t into this t square, root t into 2a square t, root t into a raised to 4. Now t square into root t raised to 2 plus t raised to 1 upon 2. 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is a 5 by 2. 2 plus 1 upon 2, it's a 5 by 2. Next, t plus 1 upon 2. 1 plus 1 upon 2, it's a 3 by 2. 1 plus 1 upon 2, it's a 3 by 2. Okay. And the last, a raised to 4 into t raised to 1 upon 2 into dt. The normal integration. Separate it, 1 upon 2, integral t raised to 5 by 2 into dt, minus, here is a 1 upon 2, brackets are 1 upon 2a. These 2 will get cancelled, and hence it is a square integral t raised to 3 by 2 into dt plus a square upon 2 integral t raised to 1 upon 2 into dt. Now the integral of t raised to 5 by 2 means what? 7 by 2 upon 7 by 2 minus a square t raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 means what? T raised to 5 by 2 upon 5 by 2 plus a raised to 4 upon 2 into t raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1 means what? T raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, now these two will get cancelled. Again, these two will get cancelled. And then it's a multiplied and reciprocal. You will get I is equals to 1 upon 7. हा 2 इथला कट झाला बघा. 1 upon 7 in bracket. T means what? A square plus x square raised to 7 by 2. Next, हा 2 numerator येणार. That will become 2a square upon 5. Next, in bracket raised to 5 by 2 means what? A square plus x square 5 by 2 plus this 2 will get cancelled. A raised to 4 upon 3. A raised to 4 upon 3. Next, what is the t? T is a square plus x square raised to 3 by 2 plus c, and hence the integral. Okay. Now see this here. Okay. पुन्हा इथे थोडीशी adjustment आहे. You can repeat it. That adjustment is important. X square into x square into x into dx. Okay. Now the next problem. Let integral I is equals to 5 minus 3x in bracket 2 minus 3x bracket raised to minus 1 upon 2 into dx. आता आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये देखील बघा. We have taken the substitution. The previous one, root of a square plus x square as a t. यापूर्वी पण असाच होता प्रॉब्लेम. X plus 2 and that was also t. Now similarly here, same problem. That is a 2 minus 3x raised to minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Therefore, we substitute here 2 minus 3x and that is equals to t. Then we will find out the value of x and substitute that value of x. Then whole expression will be in the form of the t. Okay. Next, first differentiate. Derivative of 2 is 0. Derivative of x is a dx. That is a minus 3x minus 3 dx is equals to dt. And hence dx is equals to minus dt upon 3. This is important. Next, we will find out the value of x. Okay. 2 minus 3x is equals to t. It means that this 3x is equals to 2 minus t, and hence x is equals to 2 minus t upon 3. Okay. हा minus 3x right hand side ला येणार, t left hand side ला येणार, and therefore it will become 2 minus t is equals to 3x. We have written like this, 3x is equals to 2 minus t, and hence the value of x 2 minus t upon 3. थोडी fraction मध्ये येते ते. This is the value of the dt. We have both the values dx and x. Now substitute the value of this x here. Okay. And here the value of 2 minus 3x. It is ready-made, which is the t. The value of dx is minus dt upon 3. Okay. See this here, the expression. Integral. This is the integral. 5 minus 3x. The value of x is a 2 minus t upon 3. 2 minus t upon 3. Bracket complete into. Here the t raised to minus 1 upon 2, and the value of dx is a minus dt upon 3. Minus dt upon 3. Now the next simplification. Okay, this is the integral I is equals to. Now what are the values? The simplification is minus dt upon 3, and hence it is a minus 1 by 3. Okay, integral. Next simplification 5. Now see this here, simplification 5 minus this 3 will get cancelled, in bracket 2 minus t. Okay, and this bracket is completed into t raised to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, and here 5 minus 2 minus that will become plus, and t raised to minus 1 upon 2. 5 minus 2, that will become 3 plus t into t raised to minus 1 upon 2. And the next simplification 3 into t raised to minus 1 upon 2, t into t raised to minus 1 upon 2, t raised to 1 into t raised to minus 1 upon 2, and that will become t raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. Then we have the two values. What are the two values? A multiplication केल्यानंतर काय मिळणार तुम्हाला? That is a 3 into t raised to minus 1 upon 2 plus t raised to 1 upon 2 into dt. Normal integration. This is a minus 1 by 3. Okay. 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is a minus 3 by 3. Integral t raised to minus 1 upon 2 into dt. Again minus 1 by 3 into t raised to 1 upon 2. That is nothing but minus 1 by 3. T raised to 1 upon 2 into dt. This 3 get cancelled. And next, the integral of t raised to minus 1 upon 2. It's a t raised to 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2. Minus, this is 1 by 3. T raised to 1 upon 2 plus 1. T raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c. And next simplification. How 1 upon 2 is multiplied and reciprocal, that will be the 2 times. Okay, I will write here one more step. That is a 2 into t raised to 1 upon 2. This is the first one. Next 3 into 3, 9. And this 2 will go to the numerator. And then you will get minus 2 upon 9 t raised to here 3 by 2, and last it's a plus 1. And hence the answer minus 2. T raised to 1 upon 2 means what? In root of 2 minus 3x minus 2 upon 9 in bracket 2 minus 3x and raised to 3 by 2 plus c. And this is the answer. Okay. You can see this is the answer. Now the next problem number 22. 7 plus let I is equals to integral 7 plus 4x plus 5x square upon 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 into dx. Okay. Now again this is the problem, just like we want to repeat it. Okay. 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2. Okay, असं काहीतरी वेगळं असेल तर that's the substitution 2x plus 3. Then you will get the dx. That's the 2 dx is equals to dt. Okay. It implies that 2 dx is equals to dt, and hence dx is equals to dt upon 2. Also, the value of x, आपल्याला x च्या व्हॅल्यूज टाकावं लागणार याच्यामध्ये. What is x? Here is a 2x plus 3, that is equals to t, and therefore 2x is equals to t minus 3, and hence x is equals to t minus 3 upon 2. This is the value of x, t minus 3 upon 2. Now substitute the value of dx and x in this expression, and therefore integral I is equals to integral 5x square plus 4x plus 7 upon 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2. 5 into t minus 3 upon 2 bracket square plus 4 in bracket t minus 3 upon 2 and plus 7 upon 2x plus 3 is a t, that is a t raised to 3 by 2 into the value of dx is a dt upon 2. आता पुढचं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन, यामध्ये silly mistake नको झाल्या पाहिजे, that is important. This dt upon 2 means what? Here is 1 upon 2. 5 in bracket t minus 3 bracket square. T minus 3 means what? T square minus 6t plus 9 upon 4 plus next 4 upon 2, then you will get 2 in bracket t minus 3 plus 7 t raised to 3 by 2 into dt upon 2. Okay, हा 2 आपण 2 पुढे घेतला. Next 1 upon 2. Now see this again here, 5 by 4. Next is simplification. हा जो 4 आहे तो आपण कुठे आणला, तो इथे डिनोमिनेटरला आणला. Simultaneously we are multiplying these 2 in bracket t minus 3 by 4 and again 7 by 4. Okay, तो LCM घेतला आपण त्यामध्ये, and therefore we are multiplying here 5 t square minus 30t. Next 5 into 9 45. आता नेक्स्ट बघा इथे या 4 ने 2 ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार, म्हणजे टोटल ब्रॅकेटला या 4 ने 7 ला, 7 into 4 that is a 28. Now 4 into 2 8, that is 8t minus 8 into 3 24. Okay, now the next 1 upon 2 integral 5t square minus 30t plus 45. Okay, या 5 ने पुन्हा मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलेले plus 8t minus 24 plus 28, and this 4 is to the denominator. Okay, that is the 4 into t raised to 3 by 2. Next simplification, again 4 into 2, it's a 1 upon 8 integral 5t square minus 30t plus 8t, you will get minus 22t. 45, okay, minus 24 plus 28, and their total is 49. Okay, next 1 upon 8. Now the integral of 5t square minus 22t plus 49. Now split up it. 5t square, 5t square upon t raised to 3 by 2 minus 22t upon t raised to 3 by 2 plus 49 upon t raised to 3 by 2. Now we'll simplify this. Okay, t square upon t raised to 3 by 2 means what? T raised to 1 upon 2. T upon t raised to 3 by 2 means what? 1 minus 3 by 2 means what? T raised to minus 1 upon 2. 49 upon t raised to 3 by 2 means what? 49 into t raised to minus 3 by 2. This is important. Okay, आता पुढचं इंटिग्रल इझी आहे. Okay, separate it. 1 by 8 into integral 5 t raised to 1 upon 2 means what? 5 by 8 integral t raised to 1 upon 2 into dt. Again 22 upon 8 t raised to minus 1 upon 2 integral t raised to minus 1 upon 2 into dt. Next again 49 upon 8 integral t raised to minus 3 by 2 into dt. Now the next integral is easy. T raised to 1 upon 2 means what? T raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. 22 upon 8 means what? 11 by 4 into t raised to minus 1 upon 2. Its integral is the t raised to 1 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2 plus 49 upon 8 t raised to minus 3 by 2. Its integral is the t raised to minus 1 upon 2 upon minus 1 upon 2 plus c. Okay, and hence the answer now. Now the simplification, this 5 by 8 into this divided by upon 3 by 2 means what? 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 fours are 8, that is the 4 into 3, then you will get 12, and hence 5 upon 12 t raised to 3 by 2. Okay, next 4 into 1 upon 2, then you will get minus 11 upon 2. Next t raised to here 1 upon 2. 49 upon 8 into t raised to minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Again, you will get minus 4. That is a minus 49 upon 4 minus 49 upon 4. Here t raised to minus 1 upon 2 and then plus c. Now substitute the value of t. What is the t? 2x. Here 5 by 12. 2x plus 3 raised to 3 by 2 minus 11 by 2 in root of 2x plus 3 minus 49 upon 4 into t raised to minus 1 upon 2 means what? 1 upon t raised to 1 upon 2 means what? 1 upon in root of 2x plus 3 plus c, and hence this is the answer. Okay. Calculations tough set matra. Okay, you have to repeat it. Put a wrong नको झालं पाहिजे. Okay. Now the next question number 23. Easy question. X square upon in root of 9 minus x raised to 6. Now x raised to 3 is equals to t. Its a derivative of 3x square. म्हणून तो easy आहे. Therefore, it's a easy one. I is equals to integral x square in root of 9 minus x raised to 6 into dx. X raised to 3 is t. Okay. And hence it implies that x raised to 6 means what? T square. Now the derivative of x cube is equals to 3 is a 3x square into dx is equals to dt. And hence x square into dx is equals to 1 by 3 into dt. And hence x square into dx is a dt by 3. And hence I is equals to integral 1 upon in root of 9 x raised to 6 is a means what? T square. Therefore I is equals to integral 1 upon in root of 9 minus t square into dt upon 3. Now the 9 means what? 3 square. Take 1 by 3 outside the integral dt upon in root of 3 square minus t square, and this is the nothing but the what is the derivative of sine inverse of x is that is 1 upon in root of 1 minus x square. Similarly here the integral of dt upon in root of 3 square minus t square is a sine inverse of t upon 3 plus c. Okay. Now next replace the value of the t. T is a x cube. Here is a t is a x cube, and hence I is equals to 1 by 3 sine inverse of x cube upon 3 plus c, and this is the answer. Easy problem में कहीं जास्त अवघड नहीं तो. Okay. Now the next problem. Problem number 24. Integral 1 upon x into x cube minus 1 into dx. Let I is equals to integral 1 upon x into x cube minus 1 into dx. Now here multiplied n and dy x square. Then what you will get? That is a to the denominator x into x square x cube in bracket x raised to 3 minus 1 into dx. Now put here x cube is t. Now पुन्हा problem. It's a something different one that we have to consider here. By which term we should multiply? कोणत्या term ने आपण multiply करायला पाहिजे? X cube is t. Its a derivative is 3x square into dx is equals to dt. Therefore x square into dx is dt by 3. Therefore our integral changes. X into dx, that is a dx. The value of the here is a integral x square upon x cube in bracket x cube minus 1. It's an integral. The value of x square into dx. X square into dx is dt by 3. 1 upon here is a x cube. X cube is a t minus 1. Take 1 by 3 outside the bracket, outside the integral sign. Integral 1 upon t in bracket t minus 1 into dt. Okay. आता इथे adjustment करत असतो आपण. Therefore I is equals to 1 by 3 integral plus t minus t. Plus t minus t get cancelled, and this minus and minus that will become plus 1. Overall, if we simplify this, then it is a 1, and hence I had written you repeat this problem, this type of problem. Therefore t minus t plus 1. Okay, take minus n common from these two. कशी adjustment करणार? t minus t plus 1. Keep this t as it is and take minus sign from these two. Then in bracket you will get t minus 1, and this is the important. Okay, and hence t minus in bracket t minus 1. Now split up this means what? T upon t into t minus 1. Then tt get cancelled, then you will get 1 upon t minus 1. Next, t minus 1 upon t into t minus 1. T minus 1, t minus 1 get cancelled, then you will get 1 upon t, bracket complete into dt. Now the integral of this, it is of the log form, that is 1 by 3. Integral of 1 upon t minus 1 into dt is a log of mod of t minus 1. Integral of 1 upon t is a log of mod of t plus c, and hence 1 by 3 log of mod of t minus 1 upon t plus c. Okay. Resubstitute the value of t. T is x cube, and hence I is equals to 1 by 3 log of mod of x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus c, and hence the integral. Okay. बघू शकता मेन ट्रिक काय या प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करण्याची, that is multiplied n and d by x square. Next, by partial fraction ने पण हे प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला सॉल्व करता येत. We learn in the last part of this chapter. Okay. Now the next question number 25. I is equals to integral 1 upon x log x into log of log x into dx. Okay. Then what will be the substitution? That is a log of log x will be the t. Okay. Now see this is the integral 1 upon x log x into log of log x into dx. We can write it like this: integral 1 upon log of log x into 1 upon x log x. Okay. Now log of log x as a t. It's a derivative 1 upon log x. Log of log x a derivative 1 upon log x into ddx of log x, which is 1 upon x into dx is equals to dt, and hence we have the term log x into x, log x into x, 1 upon log x into dx, and that's nothing but the dt, and hence 1 upon x log x into dx is equals to dt, and therefore our integral will change like this: I is equals to integral 1 upon log of log x into 1 upon x log x into dx. The value is 1 upon x log x into dx ची value किती आली तर dt आली. 1 upon log of log x is a t, and hence integral 1 upon t into dt. Its integral is a log of mod of t plus c. Replace the value of t. What is the value of the t? Log of log x. Okay, and hence the answer is I is equals to log of log x plus c. That is a log of mod of log x plus c. Okay. Easy question है तो substitution. Now the next type of question, question number 2. Now the question number 2. Integrate the following functions with respect to x, and first example is integral cos of 3x minus cos of 4x upon sine of 3x plus sine of 4x. Again the trigonometry. What is that? Here you must know the cos c minus cos d, and that's equals to minus 2 times sine of c plus d upon 2 into sine of c minus d upon 2. Okay. And what about the sine c plus sine d? Again sine c plus sine d, and that is equals to 2 times sine of c plus d upon 2 into cos of c minus d upon 2. Okay, c minus d upon 2. By using these two formulas, that is a minus 2 times sine of c plus d means 3x plus 4x upon 2 into sine of c minus d, 3x minus 4x upon 2 upon sine c plus sine d means what? 2 times sine of c plus d upon 2, 3x plus 4x upon 2 into cos of 3x minus 4x upon 2. Now the next simplification. We have taken here minus sign. Here sine of 3x plus 4x upon 2. Again here sine of 3x plus 4x upon 2 get cancelled from the numerator and the denominator. Now see this here, sine of 3x minus 4x means what? Minus x upon 2. Sine of minus x upon 2. What about here? Cos of minus x upon 2. Okay. Cos absorb the negative sign, but sine of, okay, sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. And what about the cos of minus theta? That's equals to cos theta. And hence, sine of minus x by 2 is a minus, and this minus and minus, that will become plus. And hence, we have the sine of x by 2 upon cos of x by 2 into dx. That is nothing but the tan of x by 2. And what's the integral of tan of x by 2? It's a log of sec of x by 2 upon the coefficient of x by 2, which is 1 upon 2, or upon derivative of x by 2, which is 1 upon 2 plus c. Again, this is multiplied and reciprocal. That will become 2 into log of sec of x by 2 plus c. And hence, you can see this again. Normal integration मध्ये फक्त हे दोन फॉर्म्युलेज तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे. And similarly, the sine of minus theta and cos of minus theta. Okay. Now the next problem. This is the problem number 2. Okay. Integral, that is I is equals to cos x upon sine of x minus a into dx. Now for this type of problem, we will adjust the angle of this cos in terms of the angle of sine, which is the x minus a. ही त्यामधली मेन ट्रिक आहे या प्रॉब्लेमची. दॅट इज द कॉस ऑफ एक्स मायनस ए प्लस ए. डिनोमिनेटरला अँगल कोणता आहे तर एक्स मायनस ए. तसाच आपल्याला न्यूमिरेटरला कसा येता येईल, कसा आणता येईल? दॅट इज एक्स मायनस ए प्लस ए मीन्स व्हॉट? ऍड प्लस ए अँड मायनस ए. ओके. प्लस ए मायनस ए गेट कॅन्सल, यू विल गेट कॉस एक्स. ओके. हा अँगल इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, जस्ट लाईक दी डिनोमिनेटर. नाउ एक्सपान्शन ऑफ cos of a plus b. What is the cos of a plus b? That is, both are the two formulas, cos of a plus or minus b, and that's equals to cos a into cos b minus and plus here sin a into sin b. Okay. And similarly here cos of x minus a into cos a minus sin of x minus a into sin a upon sin of x minus a. Split up this, that is the integral cos of x minus a into cos a upon sin of x minus a minus sin of x minus a into sin a upon sin of x minus a. Now here cos of x minus a upon sin of x minus a, that will become cot. Now cos of a is a constant, take it outside the integral sign. Therefore cos of a into integral cot of x minus a into dx minus sin of a, it's a constant, sin of x minus a upon sin of x minus a get cancelled, that is 1. Therefore integral of 1 dx, integral of 1 dx is x. Therefore x into sin a plus c. What about the integral of cot of x minus a? It's a log of sin of x minus a. And hence the answer, what is that? I is equals to cos a log of sin of x minus a minus x sin a plus c. Okay. See this again here. कुठला फॉर्म्युला? आपल्याला हा फॉर्म्युला माहिती पाहिजे यामध्ये. Okay. Now the next problem. Sin of x minus a upon cos of x plus b. मगाशी सांगितलं की डिनोमिनेटरला जो अँगल असेल तो आपण न्यूमिरेटरला आणायचा प्रयत्न करायचा. इंटिग्रल sin of, what is the angle for the denominator? For the cos, it's x plus b. Therefore we can write here sin of x plus b minus in bracket a plus b. Means what? We have minus a. आपल्याला इथे किती minus a, it's okay. Now we are adding here plus b and the minus b. That is, we are doing here x plus b. We have already minus a and here minus b. Okay. And hence this equals to x plus b in one bracket. Take minus sign, then you will get a plus b. Okay. Now the sign of a minus b. Again the expansion of sign of a minus b is a sin a cos b minus cos a into sin b. Okay. तुम्ही ते लिस्ट बघू शकता, 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये आहे. ओके. integral. Now split up this. Sin of x plus b into cos of a plus b upon cos of x plus b minus cos of x plus b into sin of a plus b upon cos of x plus b. Now here sin of x plus b upon cos of x plus b, that will become tan of x plus b. Cos of a plus b is a constant. Therefore, we take here cos of a plus b integral tan of x plus b into dx. Okay, minus. Now here cos of x plus b get cancelled. Again, sin of a plus b is a constant term. Therefore, we have written here. आपण ती बाहेर घेतली. Integral of 1 dx. Okay. The tan's integral माहिती आपल्याला. It's a log of sec of x plus b. It's a constant here. Cos of a plus b constant है. Integral of 1 dx is x, and hence it is a x sin of a plus b plus c, and hence I is equals to cos of a plus b into log of sec of x plus b minus x sin of a plus b plus c, and this is the answer. यामध्ये काय की अँगल इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. डिनोमिनेटरचा जो अँगल असतो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शनचा तोच आपण न्यूमरेटरला ऍडजस्ट करायचा आहे. वी हॅव ऍडजस्टेड हियर प्लस बी अँड मायनस बी. ओके, एक्स प्लस बी आणायचा प्रयत्न करायचा, then expand it. Okay, easy problem is this. Next, problem number 4, that I is equals to integral 1 upon sin x into cos x plus 2 cos square x into dx. Okay, now here divide the numerator and the denominator by cos square x. We get थोडासा वेगळा बरोबर, that you have to repeat it. Divide n and d by cos square x. Therefore, I is equals to integral 1 upon cos square x. Okay, now divide this denominator also by cos square x. Sin x into cos x upon cos square x means what? Cos square x, 1 cos will get cancelled, then you will get sin x upon cos x. याला जर आपण cos square x ने divide केलं, that is a 2 cos square x upon cos square x. Then you will get only the 2 here. And hence, by dividing the numerator and the denominator, you will get 1 upon cos square x. If you divide here you will get sin x upon cos x. 2 cos square x upon cos square x. 1 cos square will get cos square get cancelled. You will get 2. Okay. Next, integral 1 upon cos square x means what? Sec square x. Sin x upon cos x is a tan x plus 2. Okay, now substitution is very easy. Tan x a derivative sec square x. Therefore, the tan x is equals to t. It's a derivative is a sec square x into dx is equals to dt. Okay, sec square x into dx is a dt. Therefore, integral becomes हा sec square x into dx, त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती आली तर dt आली. 1 upon tan x means what? t plus 2 into dt. Therefore, integral 1 upon t plus 2 into dt. Its integral is a log of mod of t plus 2 plus c. Now replace the value of t. What is a t? T is a tan x, and hence I is equals to log of mod of tan x plus 2 plus c, and this is the answer. Okay, हा प्रॉब्लेम नाईस प्रॉब्लेम, पण यामध्ये मेन थीम काय की आपल्याला ते समजलं पाहिजे that you have to divide n and d by cos square x, and that's why I had repeated here. If we do the practice more and more, तुम्ही जास्त प्रॅक्टिस केली तर ते लगेच आपल्याला ते समजतं प्रॉब्लेम बघितल्यानंतर. ओके, केलीस या. Now the next problem number 5, I is equals to integral sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x into dx. आता हा वेगळ्या टाइपचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. That's we express the numerator. Numerator is equals to a into denominator plus b into ddx of the denominator in this form. Numerator can be written as in terms of the denominator. Means what is the numerator? It's a sin x plus 2 cos x. म्हणजे या टाइपचे प्रॉब्लेम्स असतील तर या टाइपचे भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत. sin x plus 2 times cos x is equals to a into denominator. What is the denominator? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus b derivative of the denominator. What's the denominator? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. It's a derivative. Derivative of sin x is a cos x. Derivative of cos x is a minus sin x, and hence sin x plus 2 cos x is equals to a 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus b. Derivative of sin x is cos x, and cos x is a minus sin. Okay, now we'll equate here the coefficient of sin x and cos x equate करणार आपण इथे. इथे sin x आणि 2 times cos x आहे. फक्त आपल्याला इथे सेपरेशन्स करावे लागणार आहे. and now see this here, मी फक्त या राइट हँड साइड स्प्लिट अप करणार आहे. First, I will take the terms of sin x. What is here? 3a sin x and minus 4b sin x. If I take sin x as a common, then you will get 3a minus 4b bracket complete into sin x. And what about the cos x? 4a cos x, okay, plus 3b cos x bracket complete 4a plus 3b bracket complete into cos x. Now compare both the sides of the coefficient of sin x and cos x. What about the coefficient of sin x here is 1. Here is a 3a minus 4b and hence 3a minus 4b is 1. What about the next? Coefficient of cos x is here to the right hand side is a 4a plus 3b. 4a plus 3b. Here the coefficient of cos x is 2. This is equation number 2. Now we'll solve these two equations simultaneously. We'll multiply the equation number 1 by 3. Yeah, 1 ला अपन 3 ने multiply करना. That will become 9a minus 12b. 1 into 3 is a 3. Next, 2 by 4. Equation 2 by 4. 4 into 4a, that is a 16a. 4 into 3b, 12b. 4 into 2, 8. We add these two equations. Minus 12b plus 12b get cancelled. 9a plus 16a, that is a 25a. 3 plus 8, 11. And hence a is equals to 11 upon 25. Okay. Now substitute this value in equation number 2. यात minus sign वगैरह नहीं है. म्हणून तेच आपण equation select करायचं. Therefore 4a plus 3b is equals to 2. 4a plus 3b and that's equals to 2. After substituting the value, 4 into 11 upon 25, that is 44 upon 25. And hence 3b is equals to 2 minus 44 upon 25. And if we evaluate it, that is 25 into 2, 50. 50 minus 44, then you will get 6 upon 25. Next, पुन्हा b ची value. You want to find out the b is equals to 6 upon 25. हा 3 multiplied आहे. तो इकडे नंतर it's 1 by 3. And if we simplify it, then you will get 2 upon 25. And hence, here 2 upon 25. Now we have the values of a and b. See this here again, the expression. Sin x plus 2 times cos x, that is our numerator. हा आपला numerator. We have expressed in the form of the a into denominator plus b into derivative of the denominator. We will substitute their values. A, value of the a and the value of the b here in this equation. Okay. मग इथे त्या values टाकणार आपण. Therefore sin x plus 2 times cos x is equals to 11 upon 25 in bracket 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 2 upon 25 in bracket 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Substitute the value in this equation. या equation मध्ये आपण त्या values substitute केल्या. Okay, this is that equation. Therefore I is equals to integral sin x plus 2 times cos x 3 sin x plus 4 cos x into dx is equals to integral. This is the numerator. या numerator च्या ऐवजी आपण काय करणार? We will substitute the values. That is 11 upon 25 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 2 upon 25 in bracket 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Okay. Now split up this. Means what? 11 upon 25 in bracket 3 sin x plus 4 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. And 3 sin x plus 4 cos x will get cancelled and you will get only 11 upon 25 here. But what about here? 2 upon 25 into 3 cos x minus 4 sin x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Here term cancel नहीं होना. Keep this as it is. Bracket complete into dx. Now next, integrate this. That is 11 upon 25 is a constant. Integral of 1 dx plus 2 upon 25 integral of 3 cos x minus 4 sin x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now what's happening here? 3 sin x चा derivative काय? The 3 cos x. 4 cos x चा derivative काय? The minus 3 sin x. It means that this is the f dash of x and this is the f of x. And hence its integral is a log of f of x plus c. And hence 11 upon integral of 1 is x. 11 upon 25 into x plus 2 upon 25 into log of mod of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus c. And this is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Calculations मात्र भरपूर आहेत. आणि 2-4 वेळा तुम्ही जर प्रॅक्टिस केली, then definitely you will be the master of this type of the problem. What type of this problem is that is a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x, and for this type of the problem you have to apply the numerator is equals to a into denominator plus b into ddx of the denominator. Find out the values of a, b, substitute the value of the numerator, and you will get the answer. Okay, याच टाइपचे पुढचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत. Problem number 6, 1 upon 2 plus 3 tan x. Now this tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x. No problem. Therefore integral cos x upon, या cos x ने 2 ला मल्टिप्लाइड करणार, that is a 2 cos x plus 3 sin x upon cos x. हा cos numerator ला गेलाय. Okay, multiplied and reciprocal. Now again, this is the numerator. Again, what is our formula? Numerator is equals to a into denominator plus b into derivative of the denominator. No problem. Cos x is a numerator as it is. A into denominator is a 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus b ddx of the denominator means for derivative of the 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. What about the derivative of cos x? Is a minus sign, minus 2 sin x. And what about the derivative of sin x? Is a cos x, that is a 3 cos x. Okay, हे आपल्याला मिळालं. That is a cos x is equals to. Now collect again the terms of a and b. आता इथे आपल्याला पुन्हा terms करणार. 2a into cos x. Now 3b into cos x. Take the cos x as a common. Then in bracket you will get 2a plus 3b. Okay. Now here a into 3 sin x. Okay. Sin x चा term घेणार. Minus 2b into sin x. Take sin x as a common. Then in bracket you will get 3a minus 2b sin x. Okay. This is important. Now equate the coefficient of cos x and sin x from both the sides. Now what is the coefficient of cos x here? 1. Okay. Therefore the 2a plus 3b that is equals to 1. आता इथे cos x sin x चा टर्म आहे का? नाही. It doesn't exist. Therefore we can write here 0 into sin x. Okay. म्हणून जर नसेल then we will equate this 3a minus 2b as equals to 0. म्हणजे आपण cos x कसा लिहिणार? This cos x can be written as, okay, cos x is equals to 0 into sin x plus cos x. Okay, या प्रकारे. And hence if it does not exist then equate it equals to 0. And hence 3a minus 2b is equals to 0. Now we will simplify this. Multiply equation 1 by 2, equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay. Then what you will get? That is a 4a plus 6b. Okay. 4a plus 6b is equals to 2 here. Okay. Next multiplied by 3. That is a 9a minus 6b is equals to 0. And if you add it, then these two terms will get cancelled. 4a plus 9a, 13a. 13a is equals to 2. Okay. Therefore, a is equals to 2 upon 13. And this is the value of a that we will substitute here. The value a here. Next, find the value of b. Put a is equals to 2 upon 13 in equation number 2. Equation मध्ये 2 आपण substitute करणार. That is a 9a minus 6b. Okay, sorry. Equation 2 is here. 3a minus 2b is equals to 0. 3a minus 2b is equals to 0. Put a is equals to 2 upon 13. That is a 3 into 2 upon 13 minus 2b 0. Simple multiplication. This 2b, या side ला ना, that will become plus. Okay. 3 into 2, 6 upon 13. Okay. And therefore 2b is equals to 6 upon 13. And hence b is equals to 6 upon 13 into 1 upon 2. It means that 3 upon 13. Now substitute the values of a and b in this equation. या इक्वेशन मध्ये a आणि b च्या व्हॅल्यूज आपण काय करणार? सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. And hence cos x is equals to a in bracket 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus, that is a into denominator plus b into derivative of the denominator. The derivative of 2 cos x is a minus 2 sin x. Derivative of 3 sin x is a 3 cos x. Okay. Substitute the value of a A is a 2 upon 13, okay, and B is a 3 upon 13. And hence, this cos x can be written as this whole expression. It is written here, okay. मग या टाईपचे बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात. कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करताना कुठे सिली मिस्टेक नको झाली पाहिजे. सेपरेट इट. नाउ द इंटिग्रल 2 upon 13 in bracket 2 cos x plus 3 sin x upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x get cancelled. Then you will get only 2 upon 13 plus 3 upon 13 upon minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x upon 2 cos x plus 3 sin x. And what's happening here? Okay, now again this integral, that is a 2 by 13, it's a constant, an integral of 1 dx only, plus 3 upon 13, and here is a numerator minus 2 sin x plus 3 cos x upon 2 cos x 3 sin x. Now here the derivative of the denominator is here. Okay, again by using the formula integral f dash of x upon f of x into dx is equals to log of mod of f of x plus c. Okay, therefore 2 by 13 into x plus 3 by 13 log of mod of 2 cos x plus 3 sin x plus c, and this is the answer, and hence we have the answer. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता या टाइपच्या प्रॉब्लेम्सची प्रॅक्टिस. ओके, okay, now the next problem. Problem number 7. 4 e raised to x minus 25, 2 e raised to x minus 5. Same type of the problem. Trigonometry मध्ये असू दे or the in the form of the exponential. Again the numerator is equals to a into denominator plus b into ddx of the denominator. A. What about the denominator? Denominator is a 2 e raised to x minus 5. Okay. Plus b. Derivative of the denominator. That is a 2 e raised to x minus 5. Okay. Now keep this as it is. A into in bracket 2 e raised to x minus 5. B into ddx of the denominator, that is a derivative of 2 e raised to x is a 2 e raised to x, derivative of 5 is a 0. Okay, 4 e raised to x minus 25, keep it as it is. A in bracket 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus b into 2 e raised to x. Now we'll collect the terms of e raised to x. इथे e raised to x च्या टर्म्स यापूर्वीच्या एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये काय केलं आपण sin x and cos x च्या टर्म्स कलेक्ट केल्या. Now here is a 2a e raised to x and 2b e raised to x. Therefore take e raised to x as common. Then in bracket you will get 2a plus 2b, bracket complete into e raised to x. What about the next? A into minus 5. It's a minus 5a. Okay. Equate the coefficient of e raised to x. What about the coefficient of e raised to x here? 4. And here is a 2a plus 2b. And therefore 2a plus 2b is equals to 4. What about here? Minus 5a is equals to minus 25. But the constant. Minus 5a is equals to minus 25 means what? 5a is equals to 25. And hence a is equals to 5. Put a is equals to 5 in this equation. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2b is equals to 4. 10 plus 2b is equals to 4. 10. Okay. Therefore 2b is equals to 4 minus 10, and that will be the minus 6. Hence 2b is equals to minus 6, and hence b is equals to minus 2. And hence we have expressed the denominator. Okay, sorry, numerator in terms of the denominator. Substitute the value of a and b here. That is, the numerator is equals to 4 e raised to x minus 25. The value of a is 5 and the value of b is a minus 3. And hence 4 e raised to x minus 25 is written here. A into in bracket 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus b ddx of this denominator. Okay. Now see this here. Integral. Separate करणार आपण याच्यामध्ये. Okay. That is a substitute the value of a and b. Separate it. 2 e raised to x minus 5 upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 get cancelled. You will get 5. 2 in bracket 2 e raised to x upon 2 into e raised to x minus 5 is here. Okay. Now integral of this 5 is a constant, take outside. Integral of 1 dx minus 3 is here. Integral of 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x minus 5. Now what's happening here? 2 e raised to x is the derivative of 2 e raised to x minus 5, and hence the integral of 2 e raised to x upon 2 e raised to x minus 5 is a log of mod of 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus c, and integral of 1 is x into 5 is a 5x, and hence the answer I is equals to 5x minus 3 log of mod of 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus c. ओके, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Okay, find out the value of AB. एकच फॉर्म आहे, न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल्स टू a into denominator plus b into derivative of the denominator. Okay. Now the next problem, problem number 8. 20 plus 12 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x plus 4. Okay. I is equals to, again, this numerator is equals to a into derivative of the denominator, sorry, a into denominator plus b into derivative of the denominator. A in bracket 3 raised to x plus 4, derivative of the denominator 3 raised to x, its a derivative is a 3 raised to x, derivative of 4 is 0. Okay, now we'll find out the value of a and b च्या values find out करणार. What is that? 20 plus 12 e raised to x is equals to, collect the term of e raised to x. Okay, what is that? 3a into e raised to x, 3b into e raised to x. Take e raised to x as a common, then in bracket you will get 3a plus 3b plus 4 into a, here is a 4a. Now equate it. The coefficient of e raised to x is here 3a plus 2b. Okay, that is equals to 20. What about the coefficient of a here? That is a constant. 4a is equals to 20. Therefore, this can be written as 20 plus 12 e raised to x is equals to 5 in bracket 3 e raised to x. Now here first we find out the value of a and b. 4a is equals to, which is a constant, it is not the coefficient of anything. 4a is equals to 20, therefore a is equals to 5, and hence here written as 5 3 raised to x plus 4. Next we will find out the value of b. It's a coefficient of e raised to x is a 3a plus 3b, that is equals to 12. Therefore I will write here 3a plus 3b, that is equals to 12. Take 3 as a common, then in bracket you will get a plus b, that is equals to 12, and hence a plus b is equals to 4. If we substitute the value of a as a 5 plus b is equals to 4, and hence b is equals to 4 minus 5, you will get minus 1. Therefore the value of b, that is equals to minus 1. Okay, and hence it is written as the value of the value of b is a minus 1. Minus 1 into in bracket 3 e raised to x. Okay, now 20 plus 12 e raised to x can be written as 5 in bracket 3 e raised to x plus 4 minus 1 in bracket 3 e raised to x upon 3 raised to x plus 4 into dx. Okay, therefore I is equals to 5, which is the constant, 3 raised to x plus 4 upon 3 raised to x plus 4 into dx. Both are same numerator and denominator. Then you will get the integral of 1 dx only. Next, minus integral 3 raised to x upon 3 raised to x plus 4. Now see this here. The derivative of 3 raised to x plus 4 is a 3 raised to x. Therefore, this is the f dash of x and this is the f of x. Its integral is a log of mod of f of x. Okay. Now the integral of this dx is x, which is the 5x, and keep this integral as I1. Separate this integral. See this here, I1. Okay. Now we'll find out its a integral directly. See this here. 3 e raised to x upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 into dx, and this equals to ddx of 3 e raised to x plus 4 upon 3 e raised to x plus 4 into dx. Okay. Now this is nothing but the f dash. Okay. And this is the f of x, and hence its integral is a, or you can take the substitution, put 3 e raised to x plus 4 is t. It's a derivative of 3 e raised to x into dx is equals to dt. That is a 3 e raised to x into dx, that is a dt. Therefore, I1 is equals to integral dt upon t. Its integral is a log of mod t plus c1, and hence I1 is equals to log of mod of 3 e raised to x plus 4 plus c1. Okay, and hence we substitute the value of this I1. I1 ची value काय? That is the value of the I1 is a log of mod of 3x plus 4. Okay, therefore the final answer, keep this 5x as it is, 5x as it is, minus log of mod of 3 raised to x plus 4 and plus c. Replace this c1, okay, by this c. Okay, that will become minus. Okay, and this is the answer. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता हे. Find out the value of a and b. Okay, now the next problem, problem number 9. 3 e raised to 2x plus 5 upon 4 e raised to 2x minus 5. Okay, again the numerator is equals to a into denominator plus b into derivative of the denominator. A, denominator is a, this is numerator, 3 e raised to 2x plus 5 is equals to a. Denominator, 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 plus b, ddx of denominator, 4 e raised to 2x minus 5, it's a derivative. Keep this as it is, plus b. The derivative of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x into 2. Okay, 4 into 2, that will become 8. Okay, that is a 8b e raised to 2x. Again, I will write here. This is a in bracket 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 plus 8b into e raised to 2x. Okay. Now collect the terms of e raised to 2x. E raised to 2x terms collect करना. What you will get? 4a, and this is the 8b. 4a plus 8b. Take e raised to x as a common. Next, minus 5a. This is the minus 5. Okay. Equating the coefficient of e raised to 2x and the constant on both sides. This is the constant. That is the minus 5a. Minus 5a is equals to 5. Minus 5a is equals to 5. Hence a is equals to minus 1. What about the coefficient of e raised to 2x? That is a 4a plus 8b is equals to 3. 4a plus 8b, that's equals to 3. Put a is equals to minus 1. Here a is equals to minus 1. 4 into minus 1 plus 8b is equals to 3. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Plus 8b is equals to 3. And hence 8b is equals to 3 plus 4. That is a 7. And hence b is equals to 7 upon 8. Now we know the value of a and b. Substitute here. What is that? Numerator is equals to a into denominator plus b into ddx of the denominator. What is a? A is equals to minus 1, that is minus in bracket 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 plus b. B is a 7 by 8 in bracket 8 e raised to 2x. Okay, now this is the value. Therefore, integral I is equals to integral in bracket. This is the numerator. What is that? 2 e raised to 2x plus 5. It is replaced by this quantity. Okay, which is minus in bracket 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 plus 7 upon 8 in bracket 8 e raised to 2x bracket complete upon 4 e raised to 2x minus 5. Split up this. Therefore, integral minus 1 plus 7 upon 8 in bracket 8 e raised to 2x upon 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 bracket complete into dx. If you divide, yala yani divide, then you will get 1. It's a minus sign, therefore there is a minus sign. Now the integral of minus integral of 1 dx plus 7 upon 8, 8 e raised to 2x upon 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 into dx. Now again this is f dash of x upon f of x, in its integral is a log of mod of f of x, means what? Log of mod of 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 plus c, and hence the answer is a minus x. plus 7 upon 8 log of mod of 4 e raised to 2x minus 5 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. या टाईपचे प्रॉब्लेम्स फार मोठे आहेत. त्यामध्ये सिली मिस्टेक कॉन्स्टंट फाइंड आउट करताना होऊ शकते. Okay. You can see. Now the next problem, problem number 10. That is cos x raised to 8 into cot x. Now here I is equals to cos x raised to 8 into cot x into dx. Now see this here, integral. Cos x raised to 8. Cot means what? Cos upon sin into dx. Okay. आता इथे काय? Now the sin of x, if you substitute sin of x is equals to t, then what you will get? Cos of x into dx is equals to dt. Okay. But what about this cos of x raised to 8? We can convert in the form of the sin. Now see this here. कसं convert करणार बघा ते. Cos of x raised to 8 is equals to cos square x bracket raised to 4. But what about the cos square x? In bracket 1 minus sin square x bracket raised to 4. Okay. But what is the sin square? Sin square means what? Sin x is a t and therefore it is a 1 minus t square and bracket raised to 4. Now expand this. Okay. That's expansion. You can perform by using the binomial theorem, or you can, if you can't expand it, then you can do this type of the multiplication. That is 1 minus t square into bracket square, and next is 1 minus t square and bracket square. हे दोन्ही एक्सपांड करणार आणि त्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट घेऊन पण तुम्ही ते तिथे करू शकताय. And hence after expansion you will get 1 minus 4t plus 6t raised 1 minus 4t square plus 6t raised to 4 minus 4t raised to 6 plus t raised to 8. Okay. हे expansion तुम्हाला येणार आहे. A minus b brackets करूनुसार A minus b brackets करूनुसार you will get 3 terms in this bracket, 3 terms in this bracket, then you can multiply it. Okay. Now the next. Here the integrals. Therefore I is equals to integral cos of x raised to 8 into cot x into dx. This cos of x raised to 8 into cot means what? Cos upon sin. Again, cos of x raised to 8 means what? Cos square x bracket raised to 4 into cos x upon sin. Again, cos square x means what? 1 minus sin square x bracket raised to 8. Okay. And this cos of x upon sin x into dx. Next, therefore I is equals to integral 1 minus sin square x. Okay. Now the substitution, again see this here, 1 minus t square bracket raised to 4 and the 1 upon sin x means what? 1 upon t. Cos x into sin x is a dt. Expansion of this upon t. Okay. Now integral 1 upon t minus 4t square upon t means what? You will get minus 4t. 6t raised to 4 upon t, then you will get 6t cube. Minus 4t raised to 6 upon t, you will get minus 4t raised to 5. T raised to 8 upon t, t raised to 7, bracket complete into dt. Now integrate this. Now integral 1 upon t into dt, okay, minus 4 integral t into dt plus 6 integral t raised to 3 into dt minus 4 integral t raised to 5 into dt plus integral t raised to 7 into dt. What about the integral of 1 upon t? It's a log of mod of t. Integral of t is a t square upon t. Sorry, t square upon 2, 4 into t square upon 2. Next, integral of t cube is a t raised to 4 upon 4 into 6. Integral of t raised to 5 is a t raised to 6 upon 6 into 4. Integral of t raised to 7 is a t raised to 8 upon 8 plus c, and in this way. And hence, replace the value of t, and t is a sin x. And hence a log of sin x, mod of sin x, minus 2 sin square x. This 4 upon 2, that is a 2. 2 sin square x plus 6 upon 4, that is a 3 by 2. Okay. Sin of x raised to 4. Then 4 by 6 means what? 2 by 3. Sin of x raised to 6 plus. Next again, t is a sin x. Sin x raised to 8 upon 8 plus c. And hence the answer. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Okay. Substitution काय आहे? Sin x is equals to t. But you want to expand. That is a t in bracket t minus t square bracket raised to 4 in this way, or by using the binomial expansion. Okay. Now the next problem. Problem number 11. Tan of x raised to 5. Now the tan of x raised to 5 can be written as, again tan of x raised to 5 can be written as integral tan cube x into tan square x into dx. Again tan square can be written as sec square x minus 1 into dx. Now see this problem. Therefore integral tan cube x into sec square x minus tan cube x into dx. Okay. Again here integral tan cube x into sec square x. Again this tan cube can be written as tan square x into tan x. Again this tan square x is written as sec square x minus 1 into dx. Okay. Now see this here chain. That is integral tan cube x into sec square x minus multiplication of this minus tan x into sec square x minus tan x minus 1, that will be the plus tan x into dx. Now we can take the sec square x common from these two terms. Now see this here, the sec square. Okay. If we take the sec square common, then in bracket you will get here tan cube x minus tan x bracket complete into sec square x. And last term is a tan x as it is. Okay. Okay. Therefore, we have the two integrals. What is the first integral? Tan cube x minus tan x bracket complete into sec square x into dx. The integral so pi. What is the substitution? Tan x is equals to t. It's a derivative of sec square x into dx. Therefore, this integral will become, I1 will become, put tan x is equals to t. Okay. And therefore, integral tan cube, and that is here is a tan cube x means what? T cube minus t into dt plus integral tan of x into dx. We know the integral of tan of x is a log of mod of sec x. Okay. And याचे integral काय? T raised to 3. Its integral is a t raised to 4 upon 2. Integral of t is a t square upon 2 plus log of mod of sec x plus c, and in this way. Now substitute the value of t. What is a t? T is a tan x raised to 4 upon 4 minus tan square x upon 2 plus log of mod of sec x plus c in this way. Okay. प्रॉब्लेम इज आहे फक्त काय की तो स्प्लिट अप कसा केलेला आहे तो इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. tan cube x into tan square x. There's multiplication. Next tan cube. Again tan cube can be written as tan x into tan square. Again tan square can be written as sec square x minus 1. And then take the sec square as a common plus tan x. This integral by using the method of substitution. Okay. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही. Okay. Now the next problem, problem number 12, cos of x raised to 7. Okay. Now this cos of x raised to 7, that is nothing but the cos of x raised to 6 into cos of x into dx. Okay. तर इथे cos x आपल्याला मिळालं आहे. Now this cos of x raised to 6 can be converted into the in terms of the sign. Means what? In bracket you can write here cos of x raised to 6 can be written as cos of x raised to 6 can be here written as cos square x, and here bracket raised to 3. But what is the cos square? It's a 1 minus sin square x and bracket raised to 3. Then the expansion a minus b bracket cube, or keep it as it is, cos x into dx. Okay. Now put sin x is t, therefore cos of x into dx is dt. Again our integral will become I is equals to integral in bracket 1 minus t square bracket raised to 3 into dt. Now expand this by using a minus b bracket cube. Means what? A cube minus 3 a square b, that is a minus 3t plus 3 a b square. Now that is the square of t square, means t raised to 4 minus square of cube of t square, means what? T raised to 6. And find out the integral. Integral of 1 dt, integral of, that is a 3 integral t square dt, 3 integral t raised to 4 dt minus integral t raised to 6 into dt. Integral of 1 dt is t minus 3 t square is integral का t cube upon 3 plus t raised to 4, its integral is the t raised to 5 upon 5 Okay, here is a 5 minus integral of t raised to 6 is a t raised to 7 upon 7 plus c. Replace the value of t. T is a sin x. That is sin x minus, what is that? 3 get cancelled. You will get sin of x cube plus 3 by 5 sin of x raised to 5 minus 1 by 7 sin of x raised to 7 plus c, and hence you have the answer. What is the answer? That is I is equals to integral cos of x raised to 7 dx is sin x minus sin cube x plus 3 by 5 sin of x raised to 5 minus 1 by 7 sin of x raised to 7 plus c. Okay. पुन्हा बघू शकताय तुम्ही tan of x raised to आधीचा प्रॉब्लेम जसा 8 चा प्रॉब्लेम होता तसा 5 चा प्रॉब्लेम होता तसाच आहे थोडा सिमिलर. Now the next problem. Problem number 13. That I is equals to, again here, I is equals to integral tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan x into dx. Okay. Now consider this tan of 3x can be written as tan of 2x plus x. Okay, what is the tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Next multiplication. Ha 1 minus tan of 2x into tan x ha tan of 3x la multiplied होणार, and hence you will get tan of 3x into 1 minus tan of 2x into tan x is equals to tan of 2x plus tan x. Okay. Simple multiplication. Tan of 3x into 1 tan of 3x. Tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan x means what? Tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan x, and that's equals to tan of 2x plus tan x. Okay. Next simplification. Tan of 3x minus tan of 2x minus tan x, and that's equals to tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan x. That is, we have the value of tan of 3x into tan of 2x into tan x, and that is nothing but the tan of 3x minus tan of 2x minus tan x. Very interesting. या तिघांचा प्रॉडक्ट म्हणजे काय तर यांचं सबस्ट्रॅक्शन कोणातनं tan of 3x मधनं tan of 2x tan x मायनस करणं. आता याचं इंटिग्रल देखील इझी आहे. Now the integral of tan of 3x minus integral of tan of 2x minus integral of tan x. Integral of tan of 3x is a log of sec of 3x upon derivative of 3x or coefficient of 3x is a 3 minus 1 upon 2 log of sec of 2x upon 2. That is minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Next, integral of tan of x is a log of mod of sec x plus c. Okay. And this is the answer. Kai important hai yamadhe? This trigonometry is important. That is a tan of 3x. Okay. Okay. Tan of 3x is equals to tan of 2x plus x. And this simplification important hai. Okay. त्यांचा product म्हणजे काय की tan of 3x मधनं minus tan of 2x minus tan x करणार. You can see this. Now the next problem, problem number 14, sin of x raised to 5 into cos of x raised to 8. Again sin and cos. Which is the odd number? Sin of x raised to 5 odd. Take one sin x outside. Then here you will get sin of x raised to 8 and cos of x raised to 8. Now we will convert this cos of x raised to 8 in terms of the, or sin of x raised to 4 we will convert in terms of the cos. का की ते sin of x into dx मिळाला. It's a derivative of cos, and therefore sin of x raised to 4 can be written as sin square x sin of x raised to 4 is equals to sin square x, and it's a bracket square. But what about this sin of x square? Means what? 1 minus cos square bracket square into cos of x raised to 8 into sin x into dx. Put cos of x is t, and therefore it's a derivative minus sin x into dx is dt. Therefore sin x into dx is equals to minus dt. Substitute here. Therefore I is equals to minus integral. What about the minus sign? Minus sign could tell the sin x into dx, that is a minus dt, and that's why here minus sign. Integral 1 minus t square bracket square t raised to 8 into dt. What is, see this here once again, minus integral 1 minus t square bracket square into t raised to 8 into dt. Next 1 minus t square bracket square, its expansion is a 1 minus 2t square plus t raised to 4 into t raised to 8 into dt. Multiplied with this all the terms, minus in bracket t raised to 8 minus 2 t raised to 10 plus t raised to 4 plus t raised to 8 t raised to 12 into dt. Okay, is equals to minus integral t raised to 8 into dt plus 2 into t raised to 10 into dt minus integral t raised to 12 into dt. Okay, now integrate this. T raised to 8, that's the integral किती t raised to 9 upon 9. T raised to 10 integral t raised to 11 upon 11. T raised to 12 integral किती t raised to 13 upon 13 plus c. Replace the value of the t, which is the cos x, and hence the answer is a minus 1 upon 9 cos x raised to 9 plus 2 upon 11 cos of x raised to 11 minus 1 upon 13 cos of x raised to 13 and plus c, and hence this is the answer. Okay, ऑड पॉवर ही महत्वाची आहे याच्यामध्ये. त्यातला एक साइन आपण जर बाजूला घेतला and convert the expression in terms of the cos, substitute cos as a t and then you will get the answer. तुम्ही बघू शकताय. Okay, now the problem number 15. 3 raised to cos square x into sine of 2x is very easy problem. Now again here I is equals to integral 3 raised to cos square x into sine of 2x into dx. Now put cos square x is equals to t. What about its derivative? 2 cos x into ddx of cos x, which is the minus sign. Okay, now it can be written as minus 2 cos x into sin x, and that's equals to dt. And hence here minus 2, we can convert this, transfer this minus sign to the right hand side. That is a 2 sin x into cos x is equals to minus dt. That is a 2 sin x into cos x means what? Sine of 2x into dx is equals to minus dt. And hence the integral will change. That is I is equals to minus, the value of sine of 2x is a minus dt. Here is a minus integral 3 raised to t into dt, and its integral is a 3 raised to t upon log of 3 plus c, and hence the answer, that is I is equals to minus 1 upon log of 3 into 3 raised to t plus c. Okay, the value of sine of 2x into dx is a minus dt. Take minus sign outside this integral sign. 3 raised to cos square x means what? 3 raised to t. Its integral is a 3 raised to t upon log of 3 plus c. Replace the value of t, that is a cos square x, and hence minus 1 upon log of 3 into 3 cos square x plus c. This is the answer. Easy problem, eh? Okay, this option is a, you can see this. Now the problem number 16. I is equals to integral sine of 6x upon sine of 10x into sine of 4x. Now sine of 6x can be written as sine of 10x minus 4x. By denominatorला त्याचा आन्सर दिलेला आहे. हा 6x कसा लिहिणार? Otherwise also we express this numerator angle just like the denominator, means what? 10x minus 4x. Expand this sine of a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, upon sine of 10x into sine of 4x. Split up this. That is integral sine of 10x into cos of 4x upon sine of 10x into sin x, sine of 4x, minus cos of 10x into sine of 4x upon sine of 10x into sine of 4x. Now these two terms, that is sine of 10x get cancelled. Cos of 4x upon sine of 4x, that is a cot of 4x. What about next? Here is a sine of 4x get cancelled. You will get cos of 10x into dx. Integral is very easy. The integral of cot of 4x is a log of sine of 4x upon 4. Means what? Coefficient of x, or upon derivative of 4x, which is a 4. Again, the integral of cot of 10x is a log of sine of mod of sine of 10x upon 10 plus c, and hence this is the answer. Okay, easy problem, eh? This is also easy one. Now the next problem number 17. I think that this is last problem. I is equals to integral sin x cos cube x upon 1 plus cos square x into dx. हा देखील इथे इथे sin x आहे dx आहे. cos x ला t कन्सिडर करणार. what is the derivative of cos x is a minus sin x into dx is equals to dt, and hence sin x into dx is equals to minus dt. Okay, take the minus sign is outside here. Integral t raised to 3, it means that cos cube, t raised to 3 upon 1 plus cos square means what? T square plus 1. Okay, that is I is equals to minus t cube upon t square plus 1 into dt. आता इथे we'll do here, that is a t cube can be written as t cube plus t and minus t. Take t as a common from here, then you will get t in bracket t square plus 1 minus t. This adjustment is important. Okay. Take t as a common, then in bracket t square plus 1 minus t upon t square plus 1. Split up this. That is minus integral t into t square plus 1 upon t square plus 1 minus t upon t square plus 1. Okay, this t square plus 1 get cancelled. You will get minus integral t into dt plus integral. This minus and minus, that will become plus t upon t square plus 1 into dt. Adjust करना. What about the derivative of t square plus 1? It is a 2t. Therefore, we have adjusted here 1 upon 2 and it is 2. Therefore, integral of 2t upon t square plus 1, and that's nothing but the log of mod of t square plus 1 plus c. And hence, again the integral of t is a t square upon 2. That is minus t square upon 2. The value of t is a cos square x. Value of t is a cos x. It's a cos square x. Minus 1 upon 2 cos square x plus 1 upon 2 log of mod of t square plus 1. The t is a cos square x plus 1 plus c. Okay. Hence, you get the answer. What is that answer? 1 upon 2 log of mod of cos square x plus 1 minus cos square x plus c. Okay. And in this way, we have completed this exercise, that is a 3.2a. Again, you can see this. Okay. Easy substitution. And in this way, we have completed the exercise 3.2a. This is the big video. It is about the 2 hours and the 12 minutes. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.